budget class.
Really? Budget class, awesome. Oh, I'm sure you do good.
It's been metered.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
What's your name? What's in here, man?
I'm Nick. 2 SA12s.
Okay.
And it's running on a Smart 3K.
Okay.
Car amps.
Smart 3K.
Yeah.
Any kind of electrical upgrades?
Yeah, it's obviously a big 3 upgrade. I've got a small lithium bank on it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It's not as big as it could be, but
yep,
that's it.
Is this a custom box?
Yeah, I built that one myself.
Okay, nice. Did you trial and error where is the box located how it is? Because it's louder?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is the sweet spot of this car right here.
Very nice. So you lost the back seat, but you have the back seat that can go up if you need to.
Right.
But this is loudest.
Everyday driving, it fits right between the shocks.
Okay.
And it's perfect. Seats fold right up.
Yes, sir.
Left for show.
All right.
That's the number spot.
Oh, yeah. That's good that you knew that because a lot of people don't know. You just move the box, you'd be surprised.
Yeah. To compete in budget class.
Really? Budget class, awesome. Oh, yeah, I'm sure you do good. Can I see the port back and the amp and all?
Yeah.
That's all right. Awesome. Yes, sir. What's your name, man?
Nick.
Nick?
Yep.
Awesome. Everybody give a like for Nick. We're at the Sundown 2021 show.
That is the Sundown SA version 2.
Version 2 is on a 8-inch port. How'd you make that port?
That's actually the form tubes that you use for forming concrete.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
What I did was I took it and fiberglassed it on the outside.
Yes, sir.
And just for straight.
Nice. And the amp is underneath, or?
Yeah.
Don't you have to move it then? It's all good, man. Yeah, you're good, man. Unless you're able to.
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, sure. Let's hear it real quick, man, so we can check it out.
It's not the cleanest install, but it's there.
Okay. There you go.
That's a small lithium that I built. Added to it.
Very nice. And you got the 4-channel?
Yeah.
That thing is so small, compact, but it works.
It's about the most efficient amps I could get for this car without doing a lot of upgrades.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. You good? Awesome. I'll get a picture real quick if you can put the box back how you had it. Thank you for showing me, man.
Absolutely.
I'm sure they'll like it. I like to show all different types of builds.
For an everyday driver, it does great.
And did you ever get it metered, you said, when you competed?
Yeah, it's been metered. 148 right now is my...
Really? That's awesome. Report and all. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
We'll switch to this one. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any
tricks.
budget class.
Really? Budget class, awesome. Oh, I'm sure you do good. What's your name, man?
Nick.
Nick?
Yep.
Awesome. Everybody give a like for Nick. Thanks for the demo, man. We're at the Sundown 2021 show.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.